Good morning, students. Welcome you to my class. Today we will learn about the chapter acids, bases and salts. After watching this video, you will be able to define acids, define bases, salts and indicators. So let's start. There are so many substances in nature. Some are acids, some are bases, some are salts, and some are neutral substances. Right? Now, do you know the substances where acid exists? Yes, in lemon that you eat. In lemon, citric acid is present there. Perhaps you have seen a bottle of acid in your house too. It is used to clean things. On the other hand, many things like toothpaste, soaps are basic in nature, right? Now we will discuss about acid. Sour things we eat contains acids. Most of sour things. For example, lemon or orange contains acid. That is, I have told, citric acid. You often drink Coke or Pepsi. It also contains carbonic acid also. Right. Now, if we discuss about the properties of acids, we will be able to learn what is an acid. Properties 1, that is, acidic substances have sour taste. Okay. Second is they corrode most metals. Third is they turns blue litmus red. Here, litmus. What is litmus? Actually, litmus is an indicator. What is indicator? To identify acidic or basic substances, we use indicators. Okay. We will learn about so many natural indicators after discussing the properties of basic substances, right? Now, if we are asked to define acids, we can say the substances which have a sour taste, turn blue litmus red, which corrode most metals are called acids, right? Now the properties of basic substances. Basic substances generally taste bitter, turn red litmus blue. They react with acids and form salts and water. This reaction is called neutralization. Okay, neutralization. Acids plus bases is equals to salts plus water. Now, definition of basic substances or base. The substances generally taste bitter, turn red litmus blue, and react with acids and form salts and water are called basic substances or bases. Now, indicators. An acid-base indicator is a substance that gives different colors in acidic and basic media. Okay. Indicators to identify acidic and basic substances. In nature, there are so many natural indicators. One of them I have said earlier, that's litmus. Litmus is obtained from a small plant that is called lichen. Litmus paper turns red in acidic medium and blue in basic solutions. In neutral substance like water, it doesn't change the color of a red or blue litmus paper, right? And there are so many natural indicators such as turmeric juice red cabbage juice, China rose juice. Okay. Phenolphthalein also indicator. Phenolphthalein, mind the pronunciation. Phenolphthalein, not phenolphthalein. Okay. Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Okay. Now China rose indicator. Students, let's watch a clip. How? Hi students. Can you remember this flower? Yes. Yes, it is China rose. Now, how can we prepare natural indicators by using this China rose? Let's see. Crush the petals and put into the water that is kept in a pot and boil. Hibiscus, that is China rose juice, is prepared. So students, let's do an experiment. This is China rose juice. We use it as indicator. It is a soap solution and this is an acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, and this is a test tube. At first, add some soap solution and add China rose juice. The color of this, what is the color? Greenish. Okay. Add some acid. And if we add this indicator, it turns orange. Okay, students? So, what we have seen, China juice turns orange in acidic medium and turns greenish or green in basic medium. Okay. Now see the color change of litmus solution in different medium. Suppose it's a beaker and we add some water. Then litmus added. See the color of the litmus solution is purple. Okay. Now we add some sulfuric acid. And we add litmus. What's the color? The color turns red. Okay. In acidic medium, the litmus solution turns red. Right? Now in basic medium, we add some water and then we add barium oxide. You know, barium oxide reacts with water and form barium hydroxide, that's a base. And let's see, we add litmus here, Wow, the color turns blue. In basic medium, the litmus solution turns blue. Okay. Now neutralization reaction. We add a base, ammonium hydroxide, and an acid, hydrochloric acid, reacts with and form ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. It's a salt, and this solution is neutral. And if we add this solution litmus, then no change. The solution of the litmus is purple. Here shown purple only. Okay. Now salts. Salts are found in abundance in the Earth's crust. A large number of them dissolve in rainwater and are discharged into lakes, rivers, and ultimately into the sea. You know, most salts are neutral substances. They are formed in various ways, like by the direct combination of elements, such as reaction of sodium and chlorine produce NaCl. NaCl means sodium chloride, that is common salt, edible salt. Second is by the action of an acid on a metal. That means Mg reacts with ACl and form MgCl2, magnesium chloride. And magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid and then form MgCl2, that is magnesium chloride. It's a salt, neutral substance. And by neutralization reactions, we have discussed earlier. Now go through this chapter and try to answer the questions in your textbook in this chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Thank you.